Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. The first news I want to give you is I have started my new blog and I really want you guys to go ahead and check out the blog and let me know in the comment section that how did you find that particular website. Did you had any difficulty finding any particular tab, or in the comment section you can let me know whatever the feedback is. Today's topic which I'm going to cover is how to become an Amazon affiliate programmer. Now that is something which is not that difficult. I know a lot of people tell you that to become an Amazon affiliate marketer you need some sort of online presence, maybe a blog, a website, or any other platform which you would like to go ahead and market the particular products over there. But that is not the case, guys. For becoming an Amazon affiliate marketer, all you need is to sign up to the Amazon affiliate program. That is it. That is it. And it is a simple sign up process. The way you sign up for Amazon.com or .in, that is the same way you have to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Once you are done with that, you will receive a confirmation link from Amazon. You have to just confirm the email ID. That's done. After that, what you will need to do is, for example, if you're one of your relative or if your friend is going to purchase a particular phone or maybe a book or something like that, all you need to do is tell them that you are an Amazon affiliate marketer and just tell them to share that particular link with you. Once they share the link of that particular product, all you need to do is go on your dashboard for the Amazon affiliate dashboard. You need to search for that product and figure out a link. Amazon will share an affiliate link with you which you can share with your friend. When your friend makes a purchase through that particular link, you will get credited for the amount. That is correct. To know in detail about how this particular process works, I'm going to drop down a link for my blog. I have written a detailed article about Amazon affiliate program. You can always go ahead and check out that particular blog and let me know your comments, like how did you find this particular video. Till then, keep geeking.